This is sweet Noah with a teal collar. He's one of the bigger ones. He's a good boy. He's a good baby. Huh? But he's a very, very pretty boy. He's got this little white heart on his head. Oh, he's got white on all his feet. More on some on the other. Come here. Let's see if we can flip you over. See how pretty you are. He's a good boy. He's a good baby. So I'm almost ready to go home. Almost ready. This is beautiful Star. She's got a black collar. She's going to be a more curlier F1B standard girl. I like her white markings. She's more like a darker caramel. Definitely teething. She's got a great little personality. She's got good confidence. I love her coat. It's going to be beautiful as an adult. She's going to be gorgeous. I like her little white highlights. Come here, turn around.